Most Florida LLC owners make one huge mistake every year. They think the annual report is complicated, so they delay it until the deadline. Then suddenly they're dealing with late fees, inactive business status, or even administrative dissolution. Here's the truth no one tells you. Filing your Florida LLC annual report in 2026 is actually very simple if you know the exact steps. In this video, I'll walk you through how to file your Florida LLC annual report step by step, what information you need before you start, how much it costs, and the easiest way to avoid penalties. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll show you one detail that causes thousands of LLC owners to accidentally pay extra fees every year. Let's get straight into it. First, understand this. The Florida annual report is not the same thing as your federal taxes. This filing is mainly used to keep your LLC information updated with the state. The report is filed through the Florida Division of Corporations website, also called SunBiz. Most LTS in Florida must file the report every year to maintain active status. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if your LLC made $0, you still usually need to file the annual report. Jake started a small side hustle LLC that earned almost nothing in its first year. He assumed he could skip the filing. Big mistake. Florida still expected the report to be submitted. So what do you need before filing? First, have your document number ready. You can find this on your LLC formation paperwork, or by searching your business name on SunBiz. Next, confirm your principal business address, mailing address, registered agent details, and member or manager information. Once you log into the filing system, you'll review your business details and make updates if needed. Then you pay the filing fee online using a debit or credit card. But here's the problem. Many people wait until the last week before the deadline. Florida annual reports are typically due by May 1 each year. Miss that deadline, and the late fee can be painful. This is where most people fail, because they assume a few extra days won't matter. Now in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid future filing stress completely. The smartest strategy is setting a recurring calendar reminder every January. Alex runs a small digital marketing LLC in Miami. He files his annual report early every year before tax season becomes chaotic. The whole process usually takes him less than 10 minutes because his information is already organized. Another important thing to know is this. Filing the annual report does not renew business licenses or permits automatically. Many owners confuse these separate requirements. So here's the key takeaway. Filing your Florida LLC annual report in 2026 is mostly about keeping your business active and your state records accurate. File early, double-check your information, and don't ignore the deadline. If this video helped you understand how to file your Florida LLC annual report step by step, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest LLC question for 2026.